Catherine Victorino. She's the one managing this. And Deo Gracias. So, yan din ang ang nasa likod ng success ng Victorino's. And of course, the sister of Bibi.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
And a special thank you to this very handsome boy. Come in, come in. He was the one who came with this. Come here. Thank you. Pwede ba natin ibigay ito sa kanila? Thank you everyone for coming to my birthday party. You made my birthday extra special. Now I know who my friends are. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you for everyone in this room, and most especially to the waiters. Thank you for serving us well. We appreciate you greatly.
Can you just carry the cake and bake it?
Walang tawa yun, ha? Magpapasalamat ako sa'yo. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Cake, thank you very much. Cakes are to be eaten and not to be pasted on other people's faces.
Makakarating.
Vlog na yan.